Hello, beautiful. If you have been following this Queen Bellis series for a while now, first, I just want to say thank you. Over the past several lessons, we have discovered that healthy hair begins long before shampoo touch your scalp. We have talked about your body, your follicles, your hair strength, your nervous system, and the incredible wisdom built into the human body. But today, I want to answer the question every woman eventually asks. Coach, how do I know I am making progress? I hear this all the time. People ask me that all the time, constantly. So, because here's the truth. Hair restoration doesn't begin with inches. No. It begins with the small victories. Small victories that you and I accomplish. Victory many women accidentally overlook. Today, I am going to show 7 signs your body may already be moving in the right direction. Even if your mirror hasn't caught up yet, it's okay. Just breathe. Now, in our last lesson, we talked about the hidden conversation between your brain and your hair. Who remember that? Awesome. Brilliant. I know you guys are so smart. Smart ladies. So, we learned that your body is constantly recovering messages or constantly receiving messages about safety, stress, rest, and recovery. Now, let's look at what happens when those messages begin to change. Because healing leaves clues, okay? You simply have to know where to look. I always say that you just need to decode the symptom, decode the information, then you get to see the solution. Now, your shedding begins slowing down. Those are the signs. Sign number 1, your shedding begins slowing down. This is often one of the earliest encouraging changes. You may still lose hair. Remember now, some daily shedding is completely normal. But you begin noticing less hair in the shower. Amen to that. Less hair on your brush. Less hair on your pillow. Okay? Your body may tell you, I am beginning to stabilize. What a better place to be. Now, sign number 2. Your energy improve. Oh, yes, Lord. Many women only focus on their crowns. But remember this. Your body healing order of priority. Sometimes your energy improves before your hair does. That's wonderful news. Oh, yes. Applaud for that. It means your internal environment may be becoming healthier. Sign number 3. Are you ready for this? You are sleeping better. Oh, yes. Some of us, it has been so long since you have a good night's sleep. Sleep is one of your body greatest opportunity to repair. See, healing comes in the night. Remember that healing comes in the night. If you are waking up feeling more rested, don't overlook that. Your body notices and your follicles notice too. Sign number 4. Your digestion feel calmer. Less bloating. Amen to somebody. More regular bowel movement. Less discomfort after eating. A healthier digestive system support nutrient absorption, which is an important part of overall hair health. Excuse me. That is another victory worth celebration. We are so grateful, right? Sign number 5. Now, your scalp feel healthier. Maybe it's less irritated, less itchy, less flaky. Those flaky ones, I know we don't like them. More comfortable. A healthy scalp creates a more supportive environment for healthy hair. Now, let's go to signs number 6. Says, sete. Sete. Your new growth feels stronger. Maybe you notice thinner hair along your hairline. Maybe your edges look a little fuller. Maybe your new growth feels more resilient. Celebrate those moments. Oh, yes. Come on. Small progress is still progress. Oh, yes, Lord. See, let's go to number 7. You stop, I said actually number 7, which is sete. Before it was says. Or set in French. You stop chasing every miracle product. Beautiful. This may be the biggest transformation of all. You start operating from fear. You start buying every trending oil, every viral serum, every overnight miracle. Instead, you understand your body, you become patient, intentionally confident. You are no longer reacting, you are restoring. To me, that is a real healing. Okay? And I applaud. Now, if you are recognized even one of those 7 signs, celebrate it, ladies. Literally, celebrate it. Don't wait until your ponytail double in size before you acknowledge progress. See, there's one thing with our brain. Once we start seeing something our brain can comprehend, it pushes us toward that same goal. Healing deserves encouragement every step of the way. Every healthy meal, every rest of nights, every stress management habit, every consistent choice, those are investments, Queen. And over time, trust me, those investments begin showing up in your crown. Trust me, I've been there. Remember now, we are restoring the whole woman. The hair follow. Every time we restore the whole woman, the hair follows. If this study has helped you understand your body in a new way, I would love to invite you to take the complimentary crown restoration assessment. Have you done that yet? If you did it, guess what? It's not too late. It will help you identify whether you are currently in the reset, rebuild, or restore phase. Once you receive your result, you can schedule a discovery call. Come and see me, Queen, so you and I can talk face to face. What is a joy for me? We will talk through your assessment together, answer your question that you may have, and discuss a personalized path forward. The link is waiting for you in the description below, Queen. Do not forget that. So check it out and let me know. And first of all, this crown assessment is very easy. I make it very easy for you. So beautiful. If you have watched all 8 lessons, give me a thumbs up, okay? And 1 thumbs up for yourself. I hope one thing has become clear today. Hair restoration is so much bigger than product. It's bigger than oil. It's bigger than shampoo. It's about understanding your body, listening to its messages, supporting it with patience. Oh yes, a whole lot of patience. And trusting that health often begins long before you can see dramatic changes. Healing actually began long before you can see dramatic changes. Thank you for allowing me to walk this journey with you. This may be the end of this series, but it's only the beginning of your restoration journey. Every Tuesday and Friday, we will continue exploring the science of healthy hair, the wisdom of the body, and practical strategies to help you restore your crown from the inside out. That is what I believe. Because it happened to me, I know it can happen to you as well. If this study encourages you, please share it with another one. Sharing is caring. Women who need hope, subscribe if you haven't already done so. And leave the word restore in the comment section. I love to know you completed the entire Queen Bellis curriculum. And remember this, your hair is not the problem, ladies. It is the messenger. Don't accuse the messenger now. Restore the whole woman and the crown will follow. Until next time, my friends, take care of yourself, protect your peace, and keep wearing your crown with confidence. I will see you in our next Queen Bellis lesson. Again, this is Coach Malaika, Menopause Hair Restoration Expert. And I'll talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Mwah.